Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast in Toulon, France, outside of a naval area. This is the Naval Park. People fishing, people by the water. Really spacious area, wheelchair friendly for sure. Lots of sidewalks and places. Looks like a carousel or a merry-go-round in the back, and JOA or JOA Casino. So put a casino right next to the park and playground areas. Walking along the cobblestone area, you can see many buildings and ships in the background, the mountains, and some statues around, including one over here. Get a little bit closer and see Mark Voulemat. Oh, a lot of numbers in the back, and statue here. Inscriptions in French. I don't know what it says. Looking back to the water, see green and red ships in the background. People fishing. No swimming allowed here, but definitely fishing is okay. Further toward the background, see the Princess cruise ship, the Emerald Princess. I got off, walked off the ship and to this area. There are also some shuttles available, but I chose to walk. Get a scenic view, get some photos, get some steps in. An outdoor fitness area on this side, closer to the casino, so people exercising. A rock lot here, getting closer to the cruise ship in the back. A little bit up close to the mountains. Really nice. About 75 degrees today. I'm recording May 1st, 2025. And I see that it is considered Labor Day in France. So many businesses closed, but I did see some food trucks outside and some businesses still open. Seeing some other ships towards the back. Nice scenic area here, Toulon, France. There's also an industrial park that's not too far from here, but largely abandoned or not active anymore. You get to see more up, people jumping in. Uh-oh. people doing flips into the water. Said no swimming allowed, but I guess they're going anyway, so hopefully nobody gets hurt over there. Another playground area towards the back and an open field. People have soccer ball, playing with that. And a lot of picnic areas in the back as well. Some tables, although some people are on the ground with blankets or tablecloths. Coming back around, big structure back here. Will look to be some palm trees and lots of hotels in this area. People coming through with bicycles. Dog over there. Lots of shops on this side, so even with Labor Day, again, some things are open. Some snacks, some drinks for sale. Smart of them. Park will be an active place. And coming back to the Mercure Hotel, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and see a mural. There are a lot of murals throughout this area. See some fish and other nautical items on the mural. So a nice day to visit Toulon, France. Happy to be here as another stop on the Emerald Princess cruise ship and a little bit closer to the mural. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.